Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I decided to do something simple, colorful and glowing for summer. I really like this look and I hope you like it too, and I hope you find it easy to create. Kindly give the video a thumbs up if you like this look or if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And without wasting so much time, let's start the tutorial. I'm going to be taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer in the shade dark brown, and I'm going to use this pointy end to brush my brows. And I'll use the pencil end to draw and fill in my brows. Going back with that spoolie end to brush my brows. Then I take the Aligrace Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn and I use it to clean up my brows. Normally I do my eye makeup before my face makeup, but in this video I'm going to do my face makeup for my eye makeup. So I'm going to take the Wet and Wild Photo Focus Rose Primer Serum and I'm going to use it to prime my face. Then I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation in the shade 335 and 38. So this is the shade 335 and this is the shade 338. You can see the difference between the 335 and 38. I want to use this time to thank my new subscribers, my old subscribers, my returning subscribers. Everyone, thank you guys so much for joining the family, for being part of my YouTube journey. And if you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button below and join the family. I take the Aligrace Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey and I'm going to use it to highlight my nose and my under eye areas. I'm going to be using the Aligrace Pro Concealer in the shade Espresso to contour my cheekbone. Sides of my nose. And also my hairline. I'm using a damp beauty blender to blend the product into my skin. I did a video on how to highlight and contour your face, so I'll link it in the description box so you can check it out. I'm going to be setting my face using the Banyan Banana Powder. So I'm just going to be doing the eye makeup. I'm going to be priming my eyelid using the Classic Eyeshadow Primer. I'm going to be taking this color from this eyeshadow palette and I'm going to apply it to my eyelid. I'm just stamping it on my eyelid. Then I'm just using this color to blend it out. I'm going to be applying this color on my brow bone. I'm going to be drawing a wing eyeliner using this Essence Super Last eyeliner. I'm just going to be coating my lash using this mascara. I'm going to be applying the same color at the outer part of my lower lash line. So I'm just using this brush to dust out excess powder from my face. I'm just going to be using this face definer from TikTok Cosmetics to add more definition to my face. So I'm just going to take the darker shade here to set my contour areas. And I'm contouring my nose too. I decided to add the mixture of these two colors in the inner corners of my eyelid. I'm just going to be using this black eye pencil to pull the eyeliner towards the inner part of my eyelid. I'm going to be using the mixture of these two highlighters to highlight my cheekbones. Side of my forehead. I'm going to be using this brow pencil to line my lips. And I'm going to be applying this liquid lipstick in the inner part of my lips. And I'm using a lip brush to blend them together. Then I'm going to be applying a clear lip gloss over my lips. I'm going to be using the Essence Instant Matte Setting Spray to set my face. I'm just going to be using this brush that I used to apply my highlighters to press on my cheekbones so that my highlighters will pop more on my chin and at the sides of my forehead. And I'm going to be using my fingers to apply the highlighter on the tip and bridge of my nose. So guys, this is the finished look and I hope you like it. I really like the way my glow is just popping, and it's really popping, it's really glowing, and I really like the simple colorful look going on in my eyes. This look is actually beautiful and I hope you find it easy to create. Kindly give this video a thumbs up if you like this look and let me know in the comment section below what you think about this look. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and also click the bell button next to the subscribe button, and in that way you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!